Usembot Menteri Rangba ka Jilao ba Prestone Tynsong, hakasngi palang lalom ya kajingalang nakabenta ki project boarding baper ki baka sorkar jilla kla depan soy hakini ki kindiat snem. Habakren chiklat patay kubor uba Prestone ula ay kajing pensyay, baka sorkar kan hapen long shwa ya kajing pynsngewthuh paidbah, ha shwa bakin pyntreikam ki smart meter ha kajilla.
You know, how can you just bring the new technology in your house? I assure them, we will make sure that, before setting up or before taking any action, as far as smart meters is concerned, we will surely have a massive campaign in each and every village through the Rambashno, through the competition. Then we will convince people, and then people will understand. Because see, this smart meters is just like a phone only, a mobile. I told them it's a mobile, prepaid or postpaid. These smart meters will be like that, post or pre. So it's up to you. And because they even misunderstand, they thought that by having these smart meters, suppose now there is no light, no electricity in the village due to maybe a transformer failure or this that. They thought that smart meter, the bill will go as usual. I told them it will never do that. It will never happen like that. It's just like your phone. If you use it, it will be charged. If you don't use it, it will not be charged.